Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Pius Jagenda. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the YouTube channels that will help you to master the art of filmmaking. If you would like to start with the filmmaking game, these YouTube channels will help you, guide you in tutorials and with tips on how to become a better filmmaker. But they will also share with you some of the gears, because some of these channels do gear reviews, and by you watching these gear reviews, you'll be in position where you will understand which gear or which equipment is better for what purpose. Let us roll the intro and dive straight into today's video. One of the YouTube channels that I've followed for a very long period of time is the channel for Danny Gavatz. This is a channel that shares videos about filmmaking tips, and also it shares equipment reviews. Danny's channel, you'll find videos that will teach you how to become a better filmmaker, but also how you can start with the game of filmmaking. Danny also shares videos about gear reviews where he decides to use the equipment in the field. So when you're watching his videos, you are in position where you can see how you can use this equipment and how this equipment is limited to certain environments. So if there is any channel that I can recommend for someone who would like to become a filmmaker, that is Danny Gavatz's channel. But also Danny shot a film and he shared a step by step how he shot this movie, which is I Think I'm Sick. So if you're a person who would like to watch videos or who would like to learn how to become a better filmmaker, this is a YouTube channel that you need to run and subscribe to, so that you can start with learning on how you can kickstart your filmmaking career. Andiax is another YouTube channel that you need to subscribe to or check out. This channel shares videos on how they create certain projects. Remember, Andiax is a film company that creates videos for a couple of clients. So when they are creating those videos for their clients, they are sharing with you the behind the scenes and the editing tutorials on how they make those specific videos and films. So you need to check out this channel, because I believe if you watch Andiax's channel, it will help you to learn step by step how you can also start up with a filmmaking career. But also this channel will teach you how you can come up with a group of people, or how you can select a group of people and then you can start to create a company of filmmaking or a production company. They also get equipment that is sent to them to review and use it in actual environment. So this helps you to see the limitations of the gear they are reviewing. But also when you're watching this channel, or if you follow this channel, you'll learn a lot of skills like sound recording, skills like video editing, skills like lighting scenes. So if you are a person who would like to learn filmmaking or even how to create better videos, try and check out Andiax's YouTube channel, and trust me, you will not regret that decision. Bradley Bassett's YouTube channel focuses on film lighting. So if you're a person who would like to learn how to light your scenes, if you're a person who is challenged with lighting films, and also if you're a person who shoots commercial films but you're challenged with lighting, Bradley Bassett's channel is another channel that I recommend to you, because it will help you to learn a lot when it comes to lighting. Away from just lighting, he also covers other tips on filmmaking and how he shoots certain scenes when he is working on certain shoots. So if you're a person who would like to start out with filmmaking, Bradley Bassett's YouTube channel is another channel that I would recommend you to go and subscribe to, or even to go and check out, because there is so much knowledge you will gain from this specific channel. It is so hard for me to talk about filmmaking and I don't talk about Brandon Lee's YouTube channel. Brandon Lee's YouTube channel focuses more on shooting and editing. So if you're a person who is passionate on how you can shoot films creatively or videos creatively, Brandon Lee is the guy that I can recommend to you. So try and check out his YouTube channel. There is so much to learn. When he gets an opportunity to review equipment, he shows you how you can use it creatively. So if you're a person who is passionate with shooting and editing, check out Brandon Lee's YouTube channel, because this channel will teach you how to shoot different scenes creatively. Britney J's YouTube channel is another channel that you can check out, because this channel focuses on filmmaking. When she's going to shoot certain shoots or projects, she shows you the behind the scenes of that project. She shares with you tips and tricks on how you can become a better filmmaker and DOP. So if you are a person who is passionate with DOP work, or if you are a person who would like to learn how to become a better filmmaker, DOP, and how filming is actually done on film sets, Britney is another person who I will ask you to check out, because her videos are inspiring but also educative. This YouTube channel will help you to also learn how to edit and how to color grade. So if you're starting out in the game, or if you're a person who would like to start up as a filmmaker and you don't have the knowledge that you need, check out Britney's YouTube channel, because this channel has a lot of content that you can learn from, and with no time you will start creating amazing videos. One thing we need to understand is that filmmaking has different styles, and everyone, as you learn and as you grow into the industry, you start to develop a certain niche or style. So Benti is another YouTube channel or personality that you need to check out on YouTube. Benti shares travel films but also shows you the challenges he faces while shooting these travel films. So if you're a person who is passionate with travel films, or if you're a person who shoots travel films but you don't know how to better your skills, Benti is another YouTube channel that you need to check out. So check out his YouTube channel, and trust me, within no time his videos will inspire you to create better travel films. Missa. This is another YouTube channel that I've just found out recently, but I was mind blown on how amazing this YouTube channel is. So he shares gear reviews, but also he shares with you the equipment he uses in specific environment. One thing you also need to understand about Missa is that he has been practicing the skill for a very long period of time, and right now he's creating videos where he shares with you his journey and also the mistakes he has made along the way. So if you are a person who is passionate about filmmaking, try and check out this YouTube channel. Trust me, within no time, if you check out this channel, you will learn a lot of skills about filmmaking. Another YouTube channel that you need to check out that will help you to also better your filmmaking skills is my channel. So please subscribe to this channel, and within no time you will be learning more knowledge about filmmaking. My name is Pastor Agena. I'll see you in another video. Peace.